the basic DSLR or mirrorless cameras is different. We got to work with Red Dragon camera. Ajay sir also and Firoz Khan sir also taught us the basic operations. That basic operation is not actually basic operation.
Mumbai Film Academy. This certificate is awarded to Sapna Ramesh Jaiswal on successful completion of one-year diploma course in cinematography and lighting. Her practical knowledge of Arri Alexa, Red Dragon, Steadicam operation, camera angles, lighting techniques and composition skills were found good. Best of luck for a bright future ahead.
Hi, my name is Sapna Jaiswal and I have recently completed my one-year diploma course in cinematography and lighting. Before coming here, I went on Google and did my research thing. I searched so many institutes in Mumbai. But why Mumbai Film Academy? Because only this institute has good website, has maintained its reviews and all the status things. Another reason for coming to MFA is the faculties, of course, all are FTI pass outs and have great experience in film industry. Firstly, Ajay Tandon sir taught us the basics, the fundamentals of cinematography and lighting. He told us that cinematography में lighting plays the crucial role. You must know lighting and cinematography तो हम सीख ही लेते हैं. And that is the reason he teaches us very well, and his experience is really helpful to us to learn cinematography and lighting. We got master class by Firoz Khan sir and full of like learning and experience. We used to have 8 hours of classes per day and with theory and practical both. In practical sessions we got to learn how to operate a camera. We never thought that camera operation would be so tough, like the basic DSLR or mirrorless cameras is different. We got to work with Red Dragon camera, and Ajay sir also and Firoz Khan sir also taught us the basic operations. That basic operation is not actually basic operation. And then after that we got to learn about focus pulling. Ajay Tandon sir taught us about focus pulling, how to learn focus pulling, how to judge the distance with eyes, not by the screen. And then about lighting, because lighting plays crucial role in cinematography. Once you learn lighting, you learn cinematography half. In the lighting sessions we were taught about Rembrandt lighting, butterfly lighting, loop lighting, when to use them, where to use them, and we had practicals with Elinchrom. We got an opportunity to work with aperture lights also. How to create patterns, if the pattern plate is not available to you, if the gobos are not available to you, how to create a pattern with the chart papers, how to, mostly the cutters are used and diffusers are used, then lights. Another faculty for cinematography and lighting was Hitesh Liya sir. He came here as for master class. He taught us advanced cinematography, the basics of sensors, aspect ratios, and then bearing filters, interpolation techniques. All these theories topics were covered by Hitesh Liya sir. Ashutosh Vandana sir. Ashutosh Vandana sir started with basics and then covered all the advanced topics. He taught us how to read paintings, how to watch films. He taught us about famous directors, like how jump cut was introduced, who introduced jump cuts, and then he taught us about the electromagnetic spectrum that is basically used in filmmaking, crucially used, because it actually teaches us what colors to use while filmmaking, what colors to choose. And then about paintings, he used to show us paintings, he used to make us listen to music that has a certain emotion in it. The 9 emotions, he taught us 9 emotions and made us click photographs on each emotion with respect to all the photography elements. So it was really very helpful for us to study the basics of filmmaking. These are the basic building blocks. Sameer Ganguly sir is one of the most experienced faculty, and he used to teach us cinematography plus direction. He made me write script, though I am not a student of script writing or direction. He made me write script and I actually wrote it in a proper format. And then we went on to shoot that script in the nearby locations near MFA. And he actually helped me gain my confidence that I can do things apart from cinematography, like I can do direction, I can do script writing also. Pradeep Rautre sir's sound classes, and I never thought of like sound is really important in filmmaking, though it is important, but These are the aspects of sound. What is J cut? What is L cut? He taught us everything through movies. We used to watch movies. Screenings are regular in MFA. We used to watch movies and then he used to pause in between and tell us this is the sound. You have to make sound like this. Sudhanshu Dubey sir is very experienced faculty. He has worked in movies such as Bhootnath, Anjan. He has worked with Amitabh Bachchan, Shah Rukh Khan. So these experiences are very helpful to us. And he taught us how to write a script. He taught us about the script structure, 3-act structure. And then he also used to show movies, regular screenings, and he used to tell us this about the different structures. Overall experience at Mumbai Film Academy was amazing because I actually came here to learn cinematography and got an opportunity to learn direction, script writing, editing also. And lastly, everything is really very good. So the teaching staff and non-teaching staff both are really friendly to you. They will always help you whenever you want, whatever you want to in the institute. And lastly, thank you Anil sir, thank you Ajay Tandon sir and all the other faculties that helped me build my career in filmmaking.